Let's go back to the California Dream Program. The kind of the pros is that there's no down payment. There's no mortgage insurance. You can qualify at the 80%. You can refi one time. It is a pro because some programs you can't. They'll subordinate that second. Let's talk about the cons. Number one, you got to pay for your closing costs. If not, you can use that 20% they'll give you and use it. But now you got mortgage insurance. You know, it's this toss-up thing and you got to just think, is it worth it or not? You have to pay back 20%. And if you do a cash out refi or you sell, they get 20% of the upside. So you have a partner. So once you pay the partner back and you make 100 grand in your property, you pull out cash out or you sell it, you owe them money. Yes, they're a partner, they're in it. What I don't like is you can only refi one time. So that means if the rates drop in a year and you refi, you're like, yeah, I got a good rate. And let's say rates happen to drop again or better, you would have to pay them off to refi. So you're kind of trapped, you're stuck there. Number four is you're basically banking on equity. You're banking on your value to go up for certain things, whether you do a rate and term refi or a cash out refi, or you want to pay them off, you want to sell your house, because when you sell your house, you've got probably 5-6% or whatever it is of closing costs. So who's paying for that? Oh, you are.